This is a question for you only. Audio is there? Hi, sir. Welcome to Hyderabad, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And sir, I know you've been visiting to Hyderabad for your shoots, and you must be having some memories. I just wanted to know, whenever you come to Hyderabad, some clicks or some sparks comes when you're going for Hyderabad, some old memories refresh yourself.
Yes, I mean, I've been coming to Hyderabad since the 80s.
Hmm.
So I've worked with a lot of wonderful producers here. Rajendra Prasad ji and Anjan Nehru Saab. A lot of people from here. And I always have the most amazing memories of Hyderabad. And आपका हैदराबाद का खाना तो वाह is the best.
Okay.
Is
So
the
how this journey is starting, this Telugu cinema, and now, पहले Bollywood का pressure था, अब हो गया है Tollywood, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, pan India we are going. So how you take your journey in Telugu cinema, Kannada cinema, how your journey is going?
It's really fantastic because यहाँ पे I see जो हॉलीवुड में अब जो बॉलीवुड में 90s में हुआ करता था द पैशन द ड्राइव मतलब they wanted to make the best. That is what I love about working here in the south. I mean, क्योंकि that mass, that connection with the audience अभी तक गया नहीं है. And it's the most amazing part, the passion and what they do out here.
Okay. And any dialogue from the movie, we can have it? Because we loved your that dialogue with the passion. You learned anything Telugu? I mean, dialogue or something? Or Hindi में भी चलेगा about this movie का? We love to hear
ये
that.
मतलब कि साहब ये सर है कंप्लेंट लिखो बॉडी ने मेरी अभी तक.
But you learn, wow. But you learn something in Telugu? Anything? Nothing?
You know what? I'm trying to learn because I'm doing one film with Prabhas also.
Oh!
So I'm doing a film called Raja Saab. आप लोगों ने promo देखा होगा.
Yes.
So I'm trying. मैं सीख रहा हूँ. कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
So about Prabhas, just you said, people are eagerly to know about working with Prabhas or your interaction. How it's going on?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Is he making you eat? Because every star talk about his food.
Yeah, he makes me eat a lot, Prabhas. And he's one of the most amazing, wonderful people and a great actor. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
And I love Chiranjeevi sir.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I love him. He's done Munna Bhai,
Yeah.
out here. And I share a beautiful relation with him. God bless him.
Oh, great, great.
Hello everyone, this is Taruna from NTV. So my question to Shilpa ji. Shilpa ji, would you like to answer? Yes. So we have seen you as a fitness freak, and Baba to we know he's taught so many actors, inspired so many people in the audience also about fitness. So when two fitness freaks meet together, what is the conversation? What do you share? I want to know from both of you.
I see people know about my passion for fitness now. I think in the last 15 years, Baba actually started the whole trend. Sanju was one of the, I think, fittest actors back in the day when he started out. I think he taught boys what it was to, do bicep curls. And I remember when I was shooting Das with him, at that time we used to have conversations about fitness. I remember him telling me to do calf raises in the bathroom. I still remember this. I don't know if you remember this, but I remember this. He says the easiest and the quickest, because we do the whole, when we are training, we always neglect the calves. So the legs will look fat, but then the calves are not worked out. So he told me the trick, and I practice it even today. They say that your calves are your second heart, and the more you can do calf raises, the better it is for you. So now when I'm in the bathroom, as and when I remember, I do my calf raises. 2 sets calf raises I do in the bathroom. That's thanks to Sanju.
Yeah. Sanju ji, question to you. You just now spoke about Raja Saab. I have been on the set of Raja Saab, that devilish kind of that place where you all have this Jadoo Mantar and everything. So when you are shooting, this is again a new character, that is a different character. So what you take back home from Telangana?
As I told you, I mean, I take back the passion which Bollywood has lost, and I hope it comes back. You know, and that's what I miss back home is the passion to make a good film. You know, it's not about numbers. Everything is about numbers back in Bollywood, but I mean, it's not about numbers. It's about passion.
शी टोल्ड अबाउट द काव्स. ऐसे कौन सा वर्कआउट है जो आप ऑडियंस से भी शेयर करना चाहोगे?
मैं यही कहना
बाथरूम में नहीं, बाहर.
मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि 70% is your diet and 30% is what you do in the gym. तो अपना खाना आप सही रखेंगे तो सब सही हो जाएगा.
Sanju sir,
Reshma, my
Sanju
question
sir,
to you.
here.
Yeah, Reshma ji, my question is working with all the fantastic actors and a wonderful director and producer, how lucky you feel, how happy you feel?
Oh, I feel very happy. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే with Prem sir, it's my second film. Sir launched me. So in Eklavya, first, whatever acting I know now, it is because of Sir. So with him, it's always a learning lesson for me. But I never imagined that I would get a chance to work with Sanjay Dutt sir and Shilpa Shetty ma'am. And there is also many more casts, big casts. As you can see in the teaser, we have Ramesh Arvind sir, we have Ravi Chandran sir. So it's a big cast. And just watching them act and just observing them, I get to take a lot from them. So it's been an amazing learning journey, I would say.
ధ్రువ గారు,
Sanju sir,
ధ్రువ
here sir.
రాజా,
Here,
one
sir.
minute. రాజా, ధ్రువ గారు, యా, యాక్చువల్గా అంటే మీ కెరియర్ బిగినింగ్లోనే ఇలాంటి లెజెండర్ యాక్టర్స్తో పనిచేయడం అనేది అంటే వాళ్ళ టైంలో వాళ్ళకంత ఈజీగా అవ్వలేదు. అంటే ఈ ఎక్స్పోజర్ కానీ ఈ అంటే మీ ఫేమ్ కానీ ఇదంతా అంటే తక్కువ సినిమాలతోనే రావడం అనేది మీకు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? అంటే పెద్ద స్ట్రగుల్ లేకుండా అంటే చాలా ఈజీగా రావడం అనేది మీకు ఒక రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ పెంచుతుందా? దీన్ని ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు మీరు?
Sir, nothing is easy, sir. It is not seen, I can tell you. See, there are so many people are waiting to become an actor outside, and I've got the opportunity because of my director and my producer, and especially Kannada audience. And my dad is a mechanic, sir. So I was into theaters. I did drama for 12 years. So I was in an institute called Abhinaya Taranga. There my debut director AP Arjun had come. Then he selected me saying, okay, let me select this guy. After going to auditions, then I revealed my uncle is Arjun Sarja, please come and tell the story to him. That is how I got into the industry. So nothing is easy, sir. And I'm really happy today because after many years, I can tell I have worked with the legends. That is Sanjay Dutt sir, Shilpa Shetty madam, and everybody, sir. So nothing is easy, not only for me. Nothing is easy for anybody, sir. All the actors have struggled in their own ways. So nothing is easy, sir. Thank you so much.
Sanjay sir.
ప్రేమ్ సార్, సో ఈ పర్టికులర్గా ధ్రువ సర్జా గారిని ఈ సినిమా తీసుకోవడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటి సార్? అంటే హీరోగా చాలామంది ఉన్నారుగా కన్నడలో హీరోస్, చాలామంది పాపులర్ హీరోస్ స్టార్స్ ఉన్నారు.
డిపెండ్ ఆన్ స్టోరీస్ అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ చాలామంది ఉన్నారు, ఇండియాలో ఉన్నారు, ನಮ್ಮ కన్నడదಲ್ಲೇ ఉన్నారు. అండ్ దెన్ దట్ క్యారెక్టర్ కాళిదాస క్యారెక్టర్ సో ఈస్ ఓన్లీ క్యారీ ఆన్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ దట్ script because before I did the Jogi, that did Yogi, the Prabhas Garu, and then that character like emotion. This character also is a totally emotion. There's cult emotion. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ ಮಗ, ಅದೇ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆ ಹುಡುಗ, ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆ, ದ ಬಾಯ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋರ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಅದೇನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ ಮಗ ಆವಾಗಲೇ, ದ ಬಾಯ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋರ್ ಸರ್, ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ suitable. యు సానా దట్
సార్ మీరు అప్పుడు మనం బెంగళూరు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఒక టీజర్ చూపించారు, సినిమా ఇంకప్పటికి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాల,
ఓకే
ఒక టీజర్
Yes, sir.
చూపించారు,
Yes,
రష్
sir.
రష్.
ఎస్ సార్
అది అప్పుడు మీరు అనుకున్నప్పటికీ ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్ అవుట్పుట్ చూసినప్పుడు
ఎస్ సార్
మీకు ఆయన పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కానీ సినిమా అవుట్పుట్ కానీ ఎలా
Yeah.
అనిపించింది సార్?
ఎస్ నైస్ సార్ నైస్ రియల్లీ నైస్.
Prem sir, is it how tough or how was your interaction with Sanjay sir and Shilpa ma'am when you went with the script, or interaction? I mean, how they get into the board. I want to know that background, or you know, you were nervous on that day, or how was their reaction?
Sorry.
To meet.
Let me
them?
answer this question.
Okay,
It was
please,
tough
darling.
for us. It was not tough for him
Okay.
because his expectations were so high. He's such a passionate director. He would not compromise on anything. So I have taken the carte blanche and answered your question. He was never nervous. We were nervous.
Oh.
Sanjay sir.
He used to say, the shot is okay, Magna, why don't we do one more? Then I was like, Anna, what was wrong in that shot? It's so good, but, hey, idiot, light is on. One more. Okay. Anna.
But we want Prem sir also to say something, you know, his first interaction and convincing them, you know, during the shot. He's looking a little bit more nervous. He's the captain of the ship.
No, madam, I don't nervous
Okay.
because I know the script. I know how to make. That's all I know
Yeah.
very well. So God grace, I don't know. So I'm not like that
Okay,
kind of
great.
man. So little bit. So, but I explain Dhruva pure Kannada.
Okay.
So ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ. So ಧ್ರುವಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ ನನ್ನ ಹುಡುಗ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ನೋಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಮೈ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಆಲ್ ಮೂವೀಸ್, ಧ್ರುವ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೂವಿನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜೆಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಒಂದು ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಹಂಗೇನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು,
Okay.
ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆಯವರು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೇಮ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಪರೇಟ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅವರು ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ದೆನ್
Sanjay sir.
ಬಾಬಾ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಸು, ನೋ ಹಸು, ಕೌ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಬಾ, ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ yes that pure, nothing
soul.
inside,
Yeah.
kuch bhi nahi hai, nothing. Okay,
He's very
coming a shooting spot, and then once he'll shooting, you don't believe, one fight shoot, blast, the kind of blast, I'll hit there and then hit there, okay, and then hit there, 3 place, his blood is running on spot, 1 2 straight blood is down. I told Baba, please let him, I'm pack up करता हूँ, आप जाओ बाबा प्लीज, आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी बाबा. नहीं क्यों, वाई, नहीं मैं ठीक हूँ प्रेम, आप करो, चलो यार, what is this with Ryan,
That's the spirit he has.
with Ryan, no आप काम करो प्रेम सर, no don't, आई कुछ भी नहीं यार, ये क्या हो गया, इतना देखा है, चलो यार आप काम करो, मेरे बारे में छोड़ो, आप काम करो, ऐसा है बाबा. That's why I love you, Baba.
Really, sir, you're an inspiration.
He's inspiring
He
an
is.
Indian any actors, inspiring Indian any actors, and then any makers. He's only inspiring.
That's true.
Yes,
We
really.
agree.
Sanjay
Really
sir.
great.
Yeah sir. Yeah sir. Sir, you select always a good roles and entertain the audience. What was the reason and what was the exciting point to accept this movie, sir?
You've answered the question yourself. You
What
know,
wa-
I
what
love
was-
to entertain and I love to make the audience happy. This character is a very amazing character with a lot of shades. I mean, he's I can't tell you the story, but yeah, I mean, it's a great character to play, and the relationship he has with his wife and with Dhruva, and it's beautiful. That's why it's a unique story, and when I met Prem sir, तो मुझे ही प्रेम हो गया प्रेम सर से.
No. Sir, you have a long journey in the film industry. When you look at the back, what do you feel? What exactly you ऐसा महसूस होता है मेरा जर्नी देख के, आपका जर्नी से?
अब ऐसा जर्नी देख के महसूस होता है कि मुझे ऑडियंस से इतना प्यार मिलता है, और उसके लिए आई थैंक गॉड कि आप सब लोग इतना मुझे प्यार करते हो, इतनी इज्जत देते हो, ताकि मैं 40 तक 40 आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी 45 इयर्स आई थिंक तक टिका रहा हूँ. You know, thank you for all the love. Thank you.
Shilpa ma'am, here ma'am. Here, look at ma'am.
I mean, see, I mean, yeah, Chandralekha was, Nag is a very, very close friend, like a brother. And he asked me to do it, so I did it. And of course, Ram is such a wonderful boy, and he is also like a really like a younger brother to me. But I mean, it took me so much time क्योंकि आप लोग ने बुलाया नहीं यार. आप बुलाओ मैं आ जाऊँगा.
Nag. With Nag. 4. Nothing great came up. And then I stopped working because then I got married and I had children. So I'd anyways reduced on the number of films. So I became a little selective. The reason for me wanting to do a film is that it has to excite me. And that is why I agreed to do Satyavati's part in KD. The film overall, and it just can't be only my character, the film has to be entertaining and, you know, massy. I've always been a massy heroine, and it's the masses that has made me. So I always try to do things that, you know, appeals to the masses. So my selection of movies will always be based on that.
Do Telugu movies? Now you're okay to do
I have
Telugu movies?
always been open to do any kind of cinema. It should just be interesting.
Okay.
For me, not as an actor, but as an audience first.
संजय
So,
सर
yeah.
संजय सर यहाँ पे सर अभी आपने बोलते बोलते बोला कि यहाँ से क्या लेके जाते, बोलते बॉलीवुड में पैशन लेके जाते बोल के बोले थे सिनेमा के लिए. बॉलीवुड में यहाँ से क्या लेके जाते घर को बोले तो तुम पैशन लेके जाते सिनेमा के ऊपर का बोले था. सिनेमा के ऊपर जितना पैशन यहाँ पे है वो बॉलीवुड में मिस हो रहा बोल के. तो क्या मिस हो रहा है सर एग्जैक्टली बॉलीवुड में? आप क्या देखे, आप इतना सारा जर्नी है आपका.
मुझे ये दिख रहा है कि जब मैं रॉकी जब 1979 में बनी और तब से लेके मैं इंडस्ट्री में रहा हूँ, एंड मैंने सब लोगों के साथ काम किया, धर्म जी के साथ, अमित जी के साथ, संजीव कुमार साहब, दिलीप साहब, सब के साथ, और बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम किया. उस वक्त उनके लिए पिक्चर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थी. उस वक्त उनके लिए स्क्रिप्ट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट था. म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट थे, और हर आदमी का एक से होता था स्क्रिप्ट पे. यू नो, आजकल हम लोग के वहाँ क्या हो गया है कि पेपर पे स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिखा जाता है, पेपर पे नंबर्स लिखे जाते हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
एग्जैक्टली.
And that is what is missing, and I wish it comes back. the passion, the drive for cinema, the passion to work. कि मतलब कि वास्तव में मैंने I worked continuously for 3 days without sleep.
Wow.
That was the passion from Mahesh Manjrekar also, from me, from everybody. You know, तो वो सेट कंप्लीट करना ही था और हम लोग को मज़ा आया करते हुए. That's what I mean.
सर आपका एक ही दिन में राजा साहब और दुनियादार 2 भी एक ही वन डे रिलीज सेम डे रिलीज हो रहा है.
सेम डे रिलीज हो रहा है. मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि ना हो. I'll try because everybody should get a chance.
सर साउथ सिनेमा में आजकल जो वर्ल्ड सेट हो रहा है, एक सेटअप सेट हो रहा है. सेटअप जो अभी केडी में एक नया एक एरा दिख रहा है. आप जो केजीएफ के थे, एक वाइकिंग्स का गेटअप में एक सेपरेट वर्ल्ड, एक सेपरेट सेटअप दिख रहा है. ऐसा एक एक मूवी में एक एक सेटअप दिख रहा है. तो इसके बारे में आपका क्या राय है सर? ऐसे सेटअप बनाना, एक ह्यूज स्केल में बनाना.
बहुत अच्छी बात है कि एटलीस्ट हम लोग ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि एक अपना यूनिवर्स बनाए, अपना एक वर्ल्ड बनाए. एंड हाँ, केजीएफ में आपने देखा है. एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक हॉलीवुड ने कैसे मार्वल बनाया या यू नो अवेंजर्स, क्यों नहीं हम लोग कर सकते हैं. we've got beautiful technicians, we've got amazing directors, we've got amazing actors, and we've got everything. So let's all of us, I think the full industry from all over India should get together and make one explosive film, you know, and Hollywood को भी दिखाना पड़ेगा.
Mr. Dhruv
सर
Sajja.
संजू सर,
Mr. Dhruv Sajja.
सर संजू सर. सो अभी जो यंगर जनरेशन है ना, अभी पिक्चर में आ रहा है ना, यंग जनरेशन, तो उसको आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं जी? अभी जो एक्टर्स, आने वाले एक्टर्स अभी जो है ना, आप इतना
भाई
देख लिया ना सिनेमा का.
भाई मैं यही मैसेज एज अ सीनियर कहना चाहता हूँ. नंबर 1 इज़ कि पहले तो एक अच्छा इंसान बनना बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू नो, पहले एक अच्छा इंसान बनो, मेहनत करो, पैसे के पीछे मत भागो, क्योंकि जितना आप पैसे के पीछे भागोगे उतना वो पैसा आगे भागेगा. तो पैसा इज़ नॉट द ओनली थिंग. इट्स योर परफॉर्मेंस, इट्स योर वर्क, इट्स योर डेडिकेशन. एंड आई थिंक दे शुड फॉलो दैट. क्योंकि हम लोग, जैसे ध्रुवा ने कहा, इट्स नॉट अ, वी ऑल हैव गॉन थ्रू आवर वेरी लो फेजेस इन आवर लाइफ टू रीच वेयर वी हैव रीच्ड. तो मतलब कि ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि 3-4 पिक्चर आ गए फिर आदमी गायब है. यू नो, यू गॉट टू स्टे फॉर, लाइक अमित जी इज देयर, you know, like you know, all of us, you know, 40 years, 50 years. Look at Chiranjeevi sir, look at Rajni sir. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Dhruv Sajja. Here, Dhruv. Yeah, here. So, Dhruv, right now the pan-Indian release is a very common thing for almost all the films releasing in any of the industry. Thanks to Bahubali, almost it completed a decade today. So, how do you think that KD will fit that pan-Indian release kind of, not only because of the casting, the subject and the connectivity and the relatability of the subject. At the same time, how do you look at yourself being a pan-Indian actor, connecting to the all set of audience, could be regional or the rural audience?
So the subject itself is universal thought. So it can be related to everybody. And I don't want to become a pan-Indian star, nothing. I just want to be a character in that movie. So if it really works, everybody will watch me, and that is how pan-India movies works. So I think I'll just go with the directors. I just want to be a director's actor. So I'm not running behind becoming a pan-Indian star, nothing like that, sir. I just want to be a director's actor. That is what I'm focusing on. Thank you.
Dhruv Sajja, here, sir. यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
Your belt is nice, sir.
Hugo Boss.
Boss.
Yeah, sir. It is Hugo Boss.
Okay.
Company. Thank you.
Okay. Sir, what was the toughest part in the movie, sir?
Fight sequence, sir. I just want to tell you, I have worked for 6 movies, sir. I have seen 3 actors who will not see monitors after the shot. One is Arjun Sarja. that is my uncle. Second is Rashmika Mandana, she won't see monitors. And third is Sanjay Dutt sir. Actually, Sanjay Dutt sir was not well. And there was a sequence hitting the bottle to the head. He did thrice or 4 times, I think. Yeah, sir didn't see the shot, and I was next to him. Director, all of a sudden he came and he was like, "Baba, horrible shot, Baba, horrible shot, Baba." And I was like, okay. Baba was like, okay, Anna, that is not horrible, that is phenomenal, he's trying to say. So, see, actually, we thoroughly enjoyed the shoot. Frankly, my director is the hero of this movie. Genuinely. Because he actually, ma'am, you remember, he used to show that, hey, Angvarao, he used to enact our character and he used to show us, this is how you should act, this is how you should look. So copying him was the difficult thing in the entire movie, sir. So I enacted his character actually.
Arjun sir, Sarja is the great action hero. What kind of support and suggestions given for you, man?
Only 3 things he have told me, sir, in the initial days. Not to lie, not to cheat, and be honest. That's all he taught me, sir. That is the biggest lesson. Yeah, he taught me that.
In action part, sir?
Director, sir.
Part.
In action part, he is very, very strong in technical ways. If I do 2 flips also, he'll say, okay, do monitor, do rehearsal, please practice. Then on screen, if I'm not doing properly, he'll be the first person to correct me saying, why don't you try single hand flips? So that is how he does. And if he can't do, he'll only show us, come, like this, man, like this, it's easy. I was like, okay, you should still practice. So he's my all-time godfather and inspiration, and he's my idol.
ఆయన డైరెక్షన్లో ఏమైనా సినిమా చేస్తారా?
Definitely, sir. Definitely, if he gives opportunity, definitely will work, sir.
Good luck.
Sir, Prem sir. Prem sir, డైరెక్టర్ సార్తో డైరెక్టర్తో మాట్లాడతాను. ఇక్కడే ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್. ಸರ್
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಬ್ರದರ್.
ಸರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಸರ್ ಸಾರ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಕರಿಯ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬ್ರದರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.